In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up out-of-office messages in Gmail. This can be a lifesaver during vacations, business trips, or any time when you're away and not able to respond to emails promptly. Let's dive in and get your out-of-office replies set up with ease. First, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you are, look towards the upper right corner of your Gmail window. You should see a little gear icon, which symbolizes Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu where you will need to select See All Settings. It might take a moment for the page to load, but once it does, you'll be presented with a variety of options, each tab offering different functions for customizing your Gmail experience. The tab you're interested in today is called General. It's where you'll find most of the day-to-day settings for your Gmail account, including the Vacation Responder section. So, scroll down the page until you locate it. This is the key area for setting up your out-of-office message. Now, at the top of this section, you'll notice an option labeled Vacation Responder Off. Directly beneath that, there's the option for Vacation Responder On, which you'll want to select. Next, you need to specify the date range for which you want the out-of-office message to be active. You'll find fields for the first and last day of your absence. The start date is mandatory, but you can leave the last day open-ended if you're not sure when you'll be back, although specifying both can help ensure things run smoothly in your absence. Simply click on the calendar icons to choose your dates. Now comes the part where you craft the actual message that people will see when they try to contact you while you're away. In the subject line box, try to keep it straightforward, like out-of-office reply or something similar that conveys the gist instantly. Then, in the larger text box below, write a brief yet informative message. Make sure to include when you'll be back, and perhaps suggest alternative contacts if there's something urgent that needs to be addressed while you're away. Before you finalize the setup, there's an option to check, which sends the out-of-office message only to people in your contacts. This is useful if you want to keep your responses limited to only those you personally know, rather than every email that lands in your inbox. Once your message is ready, simply click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Be sure to check everything one last time before saving, as this will activate your out-of-office reply according to the settings you've just selected. Now you can relax, confident that those trying to reach out will be appropriately informed of your unavailability.